Okay, students, we are moving on to illustration number 9, and this is one of the very important illustration to be kept in mind. There are two new things. Illustration number 9, there are two new things. First, when current account of partners are given, and second, when bad debt reserve is already deducted from where? From debtors. Two new things to be kept in mind. First, what is to be done when current account is given? Now you might be saying, okay, sir, what is this current account? We don't know. First of all, students, look at your this particular illustration. Liability sides, there are two things given to you. One is considered as capital account and other is considered as current account. That we will discuss later on, but you came to know that where is capital and where is current account. Second new thing, that is BDR is already deducted from where debtors. Come back to assets. In assets they have written debtors minus BDR. These two things are totally new in this particular illustration. For your convenience, again, what we need to do, first of all, whatever is given on assets side, I have written on assets. Excuse me. Then there were two things. One was capital, so I have written capital, and another one was current account. So instead of current account, I have written what? Balance. Before proceeding with adjustment, what we need to do? We need to cancel this capital account. See, try to pay attention, students, what I am doing here. There is no need to write capital, right? Capital will be directly posted where? In liabilities. Capital of whom? Of H and A. What was their capital? For this, can you please tell? Capital?
Yeah.
How much it was?
Capital was Hardik 1,10,000.
1,10,000.
Alpesh 90,000.
Alpesh 90,000. So this 2 lakh will be directly posted outside. Once again, I would like to repeatedly say that particular current account. What does this mean? Earlier, we have written here capital and we used to write it earlier and when current account was not given. Here in this particular illustration, current account is given to us. So I have written current account, but capital will be directly written here. Is it clear, students? So let's move on to adjustment, please.
Land and building value is to be increased by 25%.
So 25%. 2 lakh ka 25%, it comes to how much? That is 50,000. So that comes. Second effect, same side. Buy land. How much? 50,000. So land is to be increased by 25% plus 50,000. Second effect, same side. Yes.
Furniture value is to be decreased up to 90%.
Decreased up to 90%. That means minus 4,000. 10% you will be deducting, 90% will be coming outside. So that comes to how much? 36,000. Minus kya opposite side? To furniture. How much? 4,000. There is no adjustment related to machine. Okay, further, next one.
Market value of machinery is 72,000.
Market value of machine is 72. Minus kitna karenge? That is 8,000. Outside 72,000. Minus second effect opposite side machinery. How much? 8,000. Further.
Book value of closing stock is rupees 10,000 less than its market value.
Okay. Book value of closing stock is 10,000 less. So what we need to do? Minus 10,000. So outside 35,000. Minus kiya second effect opposite side. To closing stock. How much? 10,000. Further.
To keep total bad debt reserve rupees 3,600 on debtors.
Please, students, mark it out this one as a very important adjustment. Total bad debt reserve you need to keep how much? That is 3,600. Am I right? 3,600? So first of all, deduct 3,600 from here. So 30,000 minus 3,600, that gives me 26,400. I am writing it somewhere here for rough work. 3,600, that is new of adjustment. What was the bad debt reserve already given to you in question? That was 1,500. 1,500, students, please concentrate once again here. 3,600 is the new bad debt reserve from adjustment. Already they have deducted 1,500. So difference comes to how much? That is of 2,100. This indicates what? Loss. And that will be written here. 2 BDR. 2,100. Once again, BDR which was shown in the adjustment was 3600. So I deducted 30,000 minus 3600. 26400 outside. That I have written somewhere here in rough floor. Now they have already deducted how much, that is 1500. So difference comes to how much, that is 2100. That indicates what? Loss, and loss will be written here. Now opposite to this, 3600 is the adjustment wala, and let us take the example in trial balance, that is in the balance sheet they have deducted 5000. So it comes to how much? Minus 1400. Minus indicates what? Profit, and that will be written in revaluation credit side. So these are the 2 points to be kept in mind related to what? Related to bad debt reserve. Yes, please further.
Creditors amounted to rupees 5,000 out of the total creditors are not to be paid.
So minus 5,000, outside 30,000, minus second effect will be on opposite side by creditors. How much? 5,000. Further,
Unrecorded interest on bank overdraft is 4,500.
interest always gets added. So 94500. Second effect here 4500. Further. Alright. Now students, I expect you know what to do and what not to do. Once again I would like to focus. Now see, further I am not doing, you can do it by yourself. But then too, for your rough explanation I am explaining total of this minus all this, whatever comes you will be dividing among H and A. Right, that will be shifted where? Here and here. Whatever total comes, that will be coming here, another column. Is it clear? You will be writing H and A. But what you will be writing here? Balance. And that will be shifted outside. And total of balance sheet gets clear. What was my main intents? What was the main things to explain you in this particular illustration? Once again, repeatedly saying two things. One was considered as current account, and other one when bad debt reserve is already deducted from debtors and it is already given to you. In that particular case, when current account is given, capital will be directly posted here. You don't have to write capital here. Earlier, if at all you remember students, we were writing it in when? Capital account. Current account will be written here, not the capital. And when BDR is given, these are the 2 points to be kept in mind. If loss, then debit side. If profit, then credit side. There is one sum almost similar to this particular illustration. Today I want in homework illustration as well as sum. Write before 10 o'clock and send me personally on WhatsApp. If I am not getting, I will be definitely making a call to the parents. All the best students.